This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Meta Debugger. The trouble with this particular extension is that actually it is spread through fake Microsoft Edge update alerts. This is why we do consider this extension as extremely dangerous. The developers of this extension called Meta Debugger use misleading techniques to promote their software. This is why Meta Debugger is fairly considered to be the potentially unwanted program. Therefore, we strongly advise that you don't actually install it. But if it was mistakenly installed, there is a chance to actually fix your browser, and now I'll show you how this can be done. Access the menu, go to Extensions. If you find this Meta Debugger extension, click on these three horizontal dots and choose the option to remove from Microsoft Edge. Finally, I also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.